LG presents a fully automatic front-loading washing machine that boasts of its innovative and top-notch features, available in 7, 8 and 9 kg capacity, ideal for an Indian family. LG washing machines come with direct drive technology, which generates 6 motions in turn to give the best washing performance with reduced noise and vibrations in machines. This washing machine also gives you optimum washing performance because of its inverter control technology. Power consumption and water consumption is also low due to this technology. With its smart ThinQ connectivity, you can control and monitor your washing machine anytime, anywhere with just one app. LG washing machines come with steam technology, which helps in giving 99.9% germ-free washing and best hygienic wash. LG washing machines comes with turbo wash feature, through which you can now wash the laundry in just 59 minutes with more fabric protection. A fully responsive touch control panel makes this a user-friendly appliance. This machine can take care of itself when it malfunctions. Through your smartphone, it will troubleshoot and give you the steps for repair, saving you both time and money. LG washing machines come with an auto restart feature. When there is a power cut, the wash process stops, then resumes back from where it stopped. This quiet and super reliable washing machine is backed with a 10-year long warranty on the motor and 2-year warranty on the product. Get this product on Amazon. You can avail EMI options or pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for the damaged or defective product. You can schedule the delivery at your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with the brand for installation within 48 hours of delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page.